Okay, so this is the second time I am making this video because first time when I made this video, I something happened with the screen and when this screen was visible my whole video, and this is 1 a.m. at night. I normally make videos at night time only because I don't get time in the afternoon because I am a full-time IT manager at a government bank. So now come to the questions. So I have decided that whenever I will cover a very important topic on which I assume that question will be asked. So I will cover some questions also, like what type of, just to show you that what type of question can be asked in the examination. And these questions are not made by me. I follow one website when I was preparing for my CCAT examination. I used to follow one website for technical questions, that is sandfoundry.com, and these question I have picked up from there. And here I just want to make sure that so that you can get all the resource for CCAT preparation at one place. So I decided like that I will pick up the required whatever that is required for CCAT from there, and I will put it here. You don't need to like go through everything. Just you need to go through all my videos. That's it, and your CCAT will be done. So this is the operator precedence table. As I have already told you, you need to remember this table from like top to bottom. You need to remember this thing. So let's come to questions. Which of the following operator has associativity from right to left? Right to left, just go to this table and right to left is here, right to left is here, and then there is nowhere. So ternary operator is equal to operator, plus is equal to operator. So it is the plus is equal to operator. B is the answer. Which operator of the following have same precedence? Then again you have to go to the table, and plus is equal to, not is equal to, and left shift is equal to. So when you will go to table, plus is equal to, and here there is no not equal to, there is this left shift equal to. Where is this not equal to? Not equal to is here. So relational, this is at 7 number, and these two are having at the same level. So the answer will be Q and R. Q and R is B. So answer will be B. Now again, comment on the following, like if n is equal to 1, percentage d, like 3 multiplied by n and n plus plus. So okay, so whenever you are getting any question in which in like in printf statement there is this n plus plus or plus plus n, that is the prefix or postfix operator is used on any variable, then just remember this thing that the output will be compiler dependent. Prefix and postfix operator, like they run in such a way that the output of the prefix and postfix operators are normally compiler dependent if it is in printf. Okay, if it is in any expression that you need to evaluate that expression, but if that plus plus prefix and postfix operators are directly written in printf, then just remember this thing that the output will be compiler dependent. And whatsoever option they will give, either they will give output is compiler dependent or they will give none. So you have to go for output is compiler dependent or none, nothing else. So which of the following option is correct representation of this E is equal to this A multiplied by B plus C divided by D multiplied by F. So again you have to see the operator precedence table here and just start. How should we start? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 operands, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 operators. Then the machine will start working and will come to A. Then machine will see like A will have two operators with it, that is equal to and multiplication. So multiplication is having higher precedence than is equal to, that it will go into that its code and it will see like multiplication is here and is equal to is here. So multiplication is higher preference than is equal to. So this A will go with multiplication. Again, it will come to B. B will have two operators, that is multiplication and plus. Again, it will see its code table and it will see that multiplication is here and plus is here. So multiplication is again higher precedence. Then when you will evaluate that expression, it will be evaluated as A multiplied by B will be evaluated first. Then it will come to C. C will have two operators, that is plus and equal to. Definitely division has higher precedence than plus, so C will go with division. Now again Now again, it will come to D. D will have division and multiplication, and division and multiplication are having same preference. Again, you will see like division is here and multiplication is here. So division and multiplication are having same preference. So what will happen is the associativity will be checked. Associativity is left to right. So whatever operator that is on the left side will be associated. So D will be associated with division. So this will be evaluated. Now whatever the output will come, F will have only one operator, that is multiplication. So this thing will be evaluated after which color I should make it. Okay, I will make it, no, I will make it like this, and this thing will be evaluated like I will make it purple in a way. Okay, so it will be like A multiplied by B plus C divided by D will be in together, and C divided by D multiplication of F will be in together. So the output will be D. When swapping two number, what precautions to be taken? This is the formula of swapping. So again, there is one thing I want to tell you, that whenever you are using division, using division, okay, so you just take some value A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20, and just try to use this whatever is written here, and see whether this formula will be able to swap those two numbers or not. Swapping means like if A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 20, then after swapping B will be 10 and A will be 20. This like numbers get interchanged. So this is the meaning of swapping. So the options are data should be either of short, int and long. Data type should be either of float and double. All data type are accepted except char pointer. This code doesn't swap two numbers. So this is wrong. This code will definitely going to swap two numbers. Data type should be either of short, int and long. So okay, I'll let me tell you one thing. Like whenever you are using this division operator. So division operator, whenever you are using, and if any of the variable is int, any of the variable, like you are using int or float or int or double or int or short, like this. So whenever there is one variable is int, just give me some time. In this, whenever you are using the division operator, and if any of the variable is int, so int it affects the output. Like after the division, if any of the variable is int, the output will be int, and in this way, the numbers that are after the decimals will be, discarded. So here the answer will be B. Why B? Because when we are swapping two numbers and we are using the division operator, then definitely if the numbers are in in decimal format, you do not want that decimal after the numbers after the decimal digit to be discarded. So you will either be float or double. The data type of these A and B will either be float or double. You cannot use int, and this will not work because except char pointer. Char pointer is another different thing. It does not fit here, and this is also wrong because code doesn't swap two numbers. This code is definitely going to swap. So here it comes. What will be the output of the following C code? Studio.h3. One exam, it was asked a question uh, like a question on this printf. Printf is present in which header file. So this is a very simple question. This type of very simple question CCAT exam asks. CCAT does not ask you very high-fi questions because there are many students who appear for CCAT. They are from mechanical or civil background, and there are many from computer science and IT as well, but there are many, so they do not ask very high-fi things. So if you know the basics, you are already at par above them. And if you are from mechanical and civil background, then I tell you guys that mechanical and civil background students score much higher rank than IT and CS student, because they prepare really well. And IT and CS, I don't know what happened, but normally I have not seen like IT and CS students scoring a very high rank. They do score, but as compared to like mechanical and civil and any other background student, they perform exceptionally well in CCAT exam. So Just don't lose hope. Everything is easy. So let's come to question. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4, and E is equal to C plus D is equal to B multiplied by A. Okay, fine. So here what is happening is you are using this is equal to operator, and here you are evaluating an expression, and here also you are evaluating an expression. Just remember this thing. Few things I am telling you to remember. When you just try to run this code and you will see. So whenever you are getting this is equal to is an operator whose left hand side has to be a variable and right hand side has to be a constant like this. So if the left hand side of the is equal to is also a variable, is a constant, not variable. If left hand side is also a constant, then this operator gives a L value error. Okay, so this program is going to give you a L value error. This will be give you a syntax error or something. So whenever you are using this is equal to operator, your left hand side has to be a variable like this. So the answer will be D. Fine. Which of the following is the correct evaluation of the given expression? So evaluation of the given expression, then again W remainder X divided by Y multiplied by Z. So W will go with remainder, okay, and X will go with remainder because X have two operators, remainder and division, but left to right associativity rule will be followed here. So left operator is remainder. So remainder will be evaluated first. So the in any other option there is no there like remainder is the first at only one option. So this will be the answer. If you are sitting in an exam and you are getting like a question like this, don't go further. Just go to the next question. Okay, this will be like don't try to evaluate the full expression. Then, but here I will tell you, like X will go with remainder. Okay, fine. Then here comes Y. Y will have two operators, that is division and multiplication. Again, division have higher precedence than no, division and multiplication have equal precedence, but left to right associativity will take place here, and that division will be associated second. Then multiplication will be associated, and then at last is equal to will be associated. It will be evaluated, not associated. Which function of the following expression will be called first? This cannot be predicted. This type of function, like you are writing a particular type of expression and you are calling a functions in the expression, this cannot be predicted that which one will be called first. This is compiler dependent. Which of the following operator has the highest precedence? Just go to the this is very easy question, because if you will see the answer, it is like this brackets. If in any expression bracket is there, then we first and foremost we evaluate the bracket. But you can definitely get this type of question, but not with this easy option. Some left shift operator, right shift operator, and ternary operator. Some operator they will mix and match, and then they will they will give some options A and B, B and C like this. They will mix and match and they will give you. So you need to just learn the precedence table. Which of the following is the ternary operator? So this is the ternary operator. I will make a separate video on ternary operator. Ternary operator is very important. Everything is important. At whatever I am telling you, everything is important.